In this video, I'm going to share with you how many offers you need to make in order to expect a deal in your real estate investing business. Coming up. What's up, everybody? It's Jamel Gibbs. Welcome to another video. Listen, in this video, I'm going to share with you my 60-25-1 rule. And I'm going to share with you how many offers you need to make in order to expect a real estate deal. And if you understand these numbers and you understand the formulas that I'm going to share with you today, you can literally dictate when you're going to get a deal or around the time you're going to go ahead and be able to close a deal. And recently I put 2 videos together on key performance indicators as well as knowing your numbers. If you watch those videos up above, you'll get a general idea of what it means to be able to determine how much profit you're going to be able to make on deals, and also what numbers you need to understand in order to be able to make offers on properties. But in this video, I'm going to share with you a simple formula on how to make offers, how many offers you need to make in order to expect a continuous flow of deals in your real estate business. And the reason I'm doing this is because I get a lot of questions from subscribers who say, hey, I haven't gotten my first deal yet. What do I need to do? And usually my follow-up question is, how many offers did you make? Because at the end of the day, if you're not making enough offers on properties, then you're never going to be able to close a deal. So I want to make sure that you're making enough offers and doing it on a continuous basis so that you can get out there and be able to determine or dictate when you're going to be able to close that contract. And I also want you to keep in mind that these numbers are based on the national average for newbie real estate investors. Your numbers are going to differ from my numbers primarily because of my experience level. And we'll talk about that as we go on. So the first thing we're going to do is talk about the actual offer formula that you need to understand in order to be able to determine how many of those offers you need to make in order to be able to get to the deal. So first things first, what does the 60 represent? Let's talk about that. 60 represents this. You got the after repaired value multiplied by 60%. That represents the 60, right? Minus the repairs equals your offer. So if you have a house that would be worth $100,000 if it was in tip-top shape, but the property needed some work, what I would do is multiply that number by 60%, which brings me down to $60,000 right off the bat, creating enough room for me to be able to wholesale the property and for the buyer to be able to make a profit and have enough spread in the deal as well. Then I'm going to subtract the repairs. So let's just say that that property needed $20,000 in work. What I would do is offer $40,000 for that particular deal. Now remember, real estate is a numbers game. And chances are the person you're talking to over the phone, they're not waking up in the morning expecting to sell you their property at a discount. So generally speaking, you have to be in front of the right person at the right time. So if this is a numbers game, how do you increase your chances of actually getting deals? You have to increase your numbers. You got to play the numbers. Now, the national average for a newbie real estate investor to actually get a contract on a property is 25. So generally, you have to make 25 offers in order to get a deal. Let's go ahead and write that out. So you want to make 25 offers to expect one deal. And it's as simple as that. If you follow the after repaired value multiplied by 60% minus the repairs and make your offer on enough leads, and you make around 25 of those offers, you can expect one deal. Now, how do we come up with the 25 offer thing? It's because that's the national average for newbie real estate investors who come into this business. And I've experienced this with many coaching students over the years. Again, I've personally been in the business for 20 years. And I found that if a student generally makes about 20 to 25 offers, chances are they're going to get a deal. Now, that number can change based on your market conditions and based on your experience level as well. For example, in my business, we make 7 offers to 1. So for every 7 offers, we get 1 deal. And there's a lot of factors that play into that. Generally speaking, I can make a creative offer and get a deal versus a wholesale offer. I can offer full price and still make a profit on a property because I understand how to do that. So that's why I stress on this channel wholesaling as well as creative investing, because you open the doors for yourself to be able to get more deals a lot quicker than the average person, than your competition in your local market. So if you haven't had a chance to check out my creative investing playlist, be sure to check it out above. And also, while you're at it, like this video so that more investors can hear about it. Now, even though it takes 25 offers to get a deal, I want you to think long term in this business. Because what happens if it takes you 26 offers or 27 or 28 or 40 or 100? Are you just going to stop? Are you going to give up and quit? Are you looking for the get rich quick scheme? Or are you looking for the long-term game plan in your business? And that's what you have to ask yourself. I see too many people come into this business expecting to not have to work at it in order to make money in this business. Again, if you make enough offers, eventually you will land a deal, and then you'll totally understand your key performance indicators from that point out. But again, the nationwide average, 25 offers to 1. So be sure to use this information. After repaired value multiplied by 60% minus the repairs equals your offer. And I want you to make 25 of those before you think about tweaking anything. And then you should expect at least 1 deal out of those 25 offers. This is a numbers game. This is how you can predict what's going to happen in your business. Now, here's another key point. Generally, when you're making offers on properties and you land a deal, you're going to get what's called a base hit. And a number of those base hits, usually about 10 of those base hits, will lead you to a home run. So in order to get a home run deal, you have to make, according to those numbers, 250 offers should lead you to 1 home run deal. Because if there's a 10 to 1 to get a huge check, and I'm saying a huge check, I'm talking about $30, $40, $50,000 checks, even more. Generally speaking, if you make 250 of those, if there's a 10 to 1, and you need at least 10 to 15 of those to get the home run deal, the more base hits you get, eventually, like in baseball, you get to the home run deal. So use this information. Remember it when you're making offers. Use it to motivate yourself to keep pushing, to keep making offers in your real estate business. Because if you're not making offers, then you're not making money. But if you are making offers, eventually the money will come. I hope you liked this video. If you did, click that like button below, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, click the notification bell as well, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Peace.